In this instructional video, we will be assembling the height adjustment handle of a Lifetime basketball system. Your system may look different than the model shown, but the steps performed will still apply. Attach the lock tab to the trigger. Make sure the inner channel has been removed from the outer tube, then align the right handle grip with the outer tube as shown. Add the spring to the trigger, then place the trigger in position on the right handle grip. Secure the handle grips to the handle assembly. Now add the left handle grip to the assembly and secure it with the hardware provided. Secure the provided bolt through the hole in the outer tube shown here. Be careful not to over-tighten the hardware. Press the trigger and slide the inner channel into the outer tube until the trigger clicks into the first slot. Then secure the inner channel to the pole bracket. Next, secure the top of the outer tube to the long extension arms. Tighten the nut until it is flush with the end of the bolt. Secure a bolt through the holes in the short extension arms that are closest to the pole. Then, using the handle, raise the backboard to the highest position. Use the close end of a wrench to stretch the counterbalance springs up and over the bolt between the short extension arms.